Hi parents, so this is for chapter 19. We're looking at measurement. It's a pretty easy chapter, so I'm thinking this video will go pretty quick. Let's get started. So the first lesson is comparing weights using non-standard units. So we're not looking at exact weight, right? We're not saying he is 10 pounds and he is 8 pounds or vice versa actually, because it looks like he's heavier. We're teaching them about the one that's up is lighter, the one that's down is going to be heavier. Now if you have a pan, oh man, sorry, totally blinked just now, a pan balance scale, this is a great time to use it to let them practice with hands-on at home. Let me go ahead and show you what our worksheets look like and how you can teach them. I'll be making lessons too, so feel free to use that. So throughout this, I won't be able to do this because I'm using online apps, but they are weighing out objects using blocks. And I'll do something similar, but they're learning, okay, a pencil weighs 4 or 5 blocks, right? A fork weighs 4 blocks, a spoon weighs 4 blocks. Again, it's not exact measurements. They're just teaching them non-standard units of measurement. And let me go ahead and get to those workbook pages. So just read the instructions. Circle the heavier thing. How do they know which is heavier? So remember, it's not based on size. It's going to be which one is facing, which one is slanting down. We know that it's heavier when it's down. We know that it's lighter when it's up, right? So don't let them be deceived. This one might be tricky, right? Circle the lighter thing. How do we know which one is lighter? Again, just opposite of this, right? The one that's up in the air. Count and write. So this one, they did the measurement at the top. The owl weighs how many blocks? The mouse weighs how many blocks? Which one is heavier? Which one takes the most blocks? The owl, right? And that's true for this one too. Have them count those blocks and then read it. It says circle the lighter thing. So this one is heavier, this one's lighter. They just need to read those instructions carefully and slowly. Looking at lesson 2, we're looking at comparing capacities. And this is a great lesson and a fun one to do at home. So looking which of these containers would hold more. The bucket, right? So take 2 containers, fill it up with some object, see which container holds the most. And that worksheet is going to follow as suit. Circle the container that holds more, whichever one is bigger, right? Circle the container that holds less, right? And then circle the containers that hold the same amount. So we're looking for the same, and they should know what the vocabulary is for same. This last section can be a little bit tricky, comparing events in time. So I will be teaching this worksheet. Feel free to watch that video for some extra instruction, but we're looking at things that take more time. So what takes more time, brushing your hair or eating breakfast? Probably eating breakfast, right? Brushing your hair shouldn't take too long. Which one takes longer? Reading a book or brushing your teeth? Probably reading a book. And our worksheets are going to look just like that. So which one takes more time? Drinking water or eating dinner? Probably eating dinner, right? Which one takes more time? Doing the actual cleanup or just throwing it in the trash? Which one takes less time? Doing all the dishes or just doing one dish? Zipping up a coat or buttoning a coat? Now that one might be tricky, but just have them look closely at those details, okay? And that is chapter 19 in its entirety. I hope that's pretty simple to understand. Reach out with any questions, okay?